Hey there, we are going to do riff number 4 from Oye Como Va, and it's very simple actually. So you're really gonna just be starting on your C string, and we're gonna do 8th notes, even though Santana does 16th notes. If you want to make them 16th notes, feel free. I'm just simplifying it down. So we're gonna go 1 and 2 and on the C string, and then we're gonna go to the E string. Then back to the C string, then back to the E string. So if we put that together, it's 1, 2, ready, and so far so easy, right? Then from there, you're going to take your first finger on the E string and you're going to put it on the 2nd fret, and you're going to play 2 times there. And there's a little syncopation, you'll get it in a second. So then you add fingers chromatically up. So you're going up by half steps. Okay, so again, you're going to be going. Sorry, try it again, add 2nd fret. So if we put those together with all of our open strings, we end up with 1, 2, ready, go. And you're going to do that 3 times. And it goes right back to the vamp. So if you were doing that at regular speed, you would go 1, 2, ready, go. And so on. Okay, now on to riff 5.